Meaning of glue.
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 Glue. The word glue can be used as both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to an adhesive substance that is used to stick things together, such as paper, wood, or metal. As a verb, it means to join or attach two or more things using glue. Glue is a versatile tool that is widely used in various industries, including construction, packaging, and crafts. It provides a strong and durable bond between materials, making it an essential component in many manufacturing processes. Overall, glue is an important tool that helps us build and create a wide range of objects and structures.